Uh, Let us start today with totally new lecture, and background is also new, not just whiteboard. Yes, Atharva Shinde has appreciated the change. Yes, so I don't expect everyone because I know everyone is appreciating. We will proceed further. It's a very important thing. And I will like to tell you one another thing, that the physics part, whatever we are going to learn now, is like a ladder. सीढ़ी मालूम है ना, सीढ़ी. अब क्या होता है कि when you are using the ladder, if you are missing 3 steps and if you try to climb directly on 4th, you will fall back on your head. So the physics of 8th standard, physics of 9th standard, physics of 10th standard, do it systematically and you will see that there is nothing new in 11th and 12th, whether it is for NEET or whether it is for JEE. So that's why foundation is literally foundation, at least for physics. So I strongly recommend you that don't keep any point unexplained. Immediately ask whatever you have, whatever you want clarification, and be clear with this. Telling about something which is not in your history, not in your textbook. The physics as we know. Now there is a controversy that even Indian scientist has contributed. I don't have any objection for that. It is definitely true that the very similar statement like Newton was said in Aryabhat's statement that as we are moving through the particular river, we feel that the trees are going back. In the similar way, the sun appears to move in the sky. But we don't have the particular things in our syllabus for right now. So as a matter of fact, definitely we should go through it and we should try to know about it. But at present, whatever the history of science we know, told by the Britishers, that particular says that the major changes came in science are at 2 points. The very first thing came when Galileo was involved. Galileo was one of the wonderful person associated with the church, but तुम्ही लिहिताय ना, वहीवरती पेन टेकलेला पाहिजे, काही महत्त्वाच्या नोट्स घेतल्या गेला पाहिजेत. हे बकवास आहे, हिस्ट्री आपल्याला काय करायचं असा विचार करू नका. या सगळ्या गोष्टी महत्त्वाच्या. Before Galileo, now if suppose I am from some Marathi background and I don't know the spelling of Galileo, अरे गॅलिलिओ मराठीत लिहायला दिलं, कोणी नाही म्हणलं आपल्याला. परंतु लिहिणं चालू ठेवा. जेस्चर तुमचं असं पाहिजे की हाताने लिहिल्या गेलं पाहिजे, कानाने ऐकल्या गेलं पाहिजे, डोळ्यांनी आवश्यकता असली तर स्क्रीनकडे पाहायचं, नाहीतर आपल्या वहीकडे पाहायचं. चलो, तो गैलीलियो तक बात ऐसी थी कि एवरीवन वाज थिंकर. The philosophy was important. Experiments were of low value. If someone is performing experiment, that scientist was supposed to be a weaker scientist. अछूत लगता रहता था वो. And what real scientists are supposed to do? They are supposed to think. Oh yeah, even nowadays, whenever you get the highest authority of science, what you call yourself as? Well, I have that authority. I can call myself as Dr. Nitin Oak. What this doctor means? Doctor is the degree which is called as PhD. Now, what is the long form of PhD? PhD is Doctor of not physics, not chemistry, not mathematics. It is Doctor of Philosophy. PH stands for philosophy. Sarode, video off kara tumcha. Anuj, yes. So it is philosophers who are supposed to be the great, and the person who is one of the best philosopher is said to be doctrine philosopher. And that is what the degree PhD stands for. Now the thing is this, that Galileo was the first revolutionary scientist who provided experiments to verify his statement. Now, how he did this particular? Well, everybody knows his very renowned experiment. He went to the top of the Pisa's Leaning Tower. From there, he released two balls. One was a cannonball made up of iron, other was a wooden ball, and both hit the ground at the same time, and he destroyed the kingdom of Aristotle, who was saying that if the objects are coming from the sky, they move with different speed if the masses are different. Heavy object will come earlier and the light object will come later. Feather and stone, feather comes afterwards, whereas stone comes immediately. Even now, if you really think, you also feel, sir, वैसा ही तो होना चाहिए ना sir? But it never happens. Both will move with the same acceleration and will hit the ground at same time, subjected to condition. Friction is not there. ये उसने experiment करके prove किया. He was not having any philosophical experiment at that time. The same Galileo also introduced one very wonderful concept, and that concept was the concept of inertia. Let me use whiteboard for this. So what he did was something like this. He imagined a curved surface like this. His surface was very smooth, and he was having one ball over here. Now this particular was, yes, it was philosophical thinking. This is just for my imagination. There is no necessity of this as such. Now if this particular ball is released, what will happen to this ball? The ball will move along this particular, will come down, smoothly will start rising up, and it will reach the same position as earlier, and this is what will happen over there. So if such particular case is there, and this is what was assumed by Galileo, so the question comes, if suppose I change the particular curvature, at that time what will happen? So what I am saying is something like this. Instead of this particular curvature, if the curvature is like this, again very smooth, under that condition, the particular ball which is imagined over here again will start moving, and instead of rising over here, because this is not existing now, so it will continue like this and will come up to this much height. So we'll have larger journey. Now let me imagine that this particular curve is further increased and it is something like this. Again, the same imagination was there, same type of ball, and the Galileo was thinking that what will happen to this ball. So he started imagination, and everyone agreed with Galileo that yes, Mr. Galileo, you are right. It will come up to this level and will get settled. Then Galileo asked everyone, now my dear friends, tell me what will happen if this particular curvature continues like this and goes straight. Then everyone was amazed to see that yes, whatever Galileo is saying is correct, and whenever this particular ball will start its journey, it will continue and no one will be able to stop it, because this particular has not done its journey yet. Well, some technical problem is there. You can understand. The ball is moving. So it is moving and moving and moving and moving and moving and moving. This will never stop according to Galileo. This was accepted by almost everyone at that time. This particular property, which I will write right now, and you will have to note it down properly. The tendency of body to remain in same state of motion is called as inertia.
Excuse me, sir.
Please, beta.
So can you speak little bit loudly?
Sure, sure. So the tendency of body to remain in the same state of motion is called as inertia. Inertia will be more if mass is more and less if mass is less. And if suppose mass is not there, then come on, no matter can have no zero mass. We have learned this particular in the earlier topic that, or we will be learning it afterwards. Mass is an invariable property of object. Every object in the universe always have mass. So we cannot have such particular thing, and always we will have the mass over there, and this is what was said and this is what was accepted.
Excuse me, sir.
Please.
Sir, why won't friction work there?
What?
Why won't friction work there?
He imagined that there is no friction. That was his imagination. He didn't perform the experiment.
Excuse me, sir.
Galileo at that time didn't perform this experiment. He imagined this particular.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, then what is the weight of light?
What is?
What is the weight of light?
Light don't have any weight. Light is an energy when it is traveling.
But sir, you said that every object in this universe has weight.
Perfectly correct. Light is not an object. Light is energy. Energy doesn't mean object.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Pardon?
Can you please define tendency?
Hello?
Sir, can you please define tendency?
I'm not able to hear you, beta. Please say it again.
Sir, can you please define tendency?
Can you get back? नहीं, मैं समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मुझे आप क्या बोल रहे हैं. प्लीज बोलिए.
Sir, can you please define tendency?
Tendency. Yeah, certainly. Tendency is the inbuilt nature the wish of that object. Now human have mind, they can change their tendencies, but the objects cannot change their tendency. For example, liquid have tendency to take the shape of the container. In whichever container you will pour the liquid, liquid will take that shape. Now that is the tendency of liquid. Good question. I appreciate Sora for this. Okay.
Sir, light have any tendency?
Light always travels in a straight line. Light is follow the law of reflection. Light follows the law of refraction. So tendencies are there for light. And we have a complete chapter on that.
Okay.
Excuse me. Sir, does light have mass?
No, light don't have mass. Okay. We will first get the acquaintance with the syllabus.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Voice is not coming at all.
No, sir, it is clear.
हाँ, नेटवर्क में प्रॉब्लम.
No, sir, it is clear.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. चलो थोड़ा देखते हैं. ये अगर चाहते हो तो नोट कर लो. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो है वो स्टेट बोर्ड में के फिजिक्स के टॉपिक्स है. फिजिक्स ये नाम कहीं पर भी नहीं दिया है. ये हम लोगों को पता है कि ये फिजिक्स के अंडर आता है. So the third chapter in your state board syllabus, force and pressure. The same chapter by same name is included in NCERT, and a special force, which is contact force by name friction, has been studied separately in a separate chapter. It has been included in state board syllabus. So 11th and 12th chapter of NCERT, force and pressure और फ्रिक्शन. ये सब मैं इसके लिए दे रहा हूं कि मेरे पास में कई पेरेंट्स आते हैं पूछने के लिए कि हमने सीबीएसई कोर्स करना चाहिए या स्टेट बोर्ड का कोर्स करना चाहिए. यार दोनों में फर्क ही नहीं है. कोई क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है उससे? हाँ, when we were studying or your parents were in the school, at that time there was a vast difference. The NCERT course was too high and the state syllabus course was too less. So we were having inferiority complex. मैं तो भाई न्यू इंग्लिश स्कूल में से 10वीं किया हूँ, स्टेट बोर्ड की स्कूल है और ये तो सीबीएसई से है. So that was there, but now there is no need as such. चलो आगे. Fourth chapter is current electricity in state board. In NCERT it appears as 14th chapter, chemical effect, electric current. Fifth chapter of state board is inside atom. NCERT has not entered the atom in standard. 14th, measurement and effect of heat. There is no such chapter in NCERT. 15th chapter in state board, sound. Identical thing. 13th chapter, sound. 16th chapter of state board, reflection of light. 16th chapter of NCERT, light. 19th chapter of state board, life cycle of stars. And 17th and last chapter of NCERT, stars and the solar system. So this is all related to syllabus. obviously we are going to start with the first topic of physics or third chapter of state board and 11th-12th chapter of NCERT. I request family members to take care that their sound should not come in the mic. I have opened everyone. Now they can use their mic if they have any difficulty, any doubt, any question. Yeah, so we'll proceed further. A very important topic, and you have many experiments around you to see this. Many experiments. Force, pressure, and friction. A stationary object, you will need to write this, on which no force is acting. Under that condition, it remains stationary. अब यहां पर मेरी इच्छा है कि जितना झगड़ सकोगे उतना झगड़ो मेरे से. यानी क्या सर? यानी यार एग्जांपल दो ना मेरे को कि सर ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं, नो फोर्स इज एक्टिंग, बॉडी रिमेन स्टेशनरी. मैं एक आधे बॉडी पर फोर्स अप्लाई करता हूं फिर भी वो स्टेशनरी रहती है. क्या बात कर रहा है? और नहीं तो क्या सर, कल हमारे घर के सामने एक ट्रक खड़ा था, मैं गया, ट्रक को पुश किया, बहुत जोर लगाया सर, बहुत जोर लगाया, बट ट्रक वाज स्टेशनरी, it was not moving at all. And how do you say that the particular no force is allowed over there? I was applying force, complete force was there. So in that case, it comes that the word which is necessary over there is no net force. ये वहां पर अपने को add करना पड़ेगा word ये. And if you are able to add this particular word over here, that will be wonderful. So what I am saying is a stationary object on which no net force, spelling of net is NET. Yes, Gauri, please. Gauri Devle, difficulty विचार बेटा, unmute करता येईल तुला.
Sir,
हाँ बोल.
सर तुम्ही म्हणालात की मोशन कंटिन्यूज टू मूव विथ द सेम स्पीड. पण जर आपण बॉल खूप फोर्सने हिट केला तर तो पहिले खूप फास्ट जातो आणि नंतर मग थोडा स्लो जातो. मग त्याची सेम स्पीड कशी काय होणार?
जो प्रश्न तुला पडला तोच न्यूटनला पडला होता. आणि मग
इज इट नेट और नेट?
याचा अर्थ त्याच्यावरती कुठला तरी फोर्स ऍक्ट होत असला पाहिजे.
हो.
आणि त्याला आज आपण म्हणतो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, is it net or net?
Where?
Hello, sir.
Where you are asking?
Sir, the spelling of net.
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 NET. Net. Resultant force.
Excuse me, sir.
Force. Total force.
Sir, give an example of this. Means this explanation.
Go out and try to push the particular truck. If you don't want to go out, just raise from your place and try to push the wall. Whether wall gets pushed?
No, sir.
No, sir. Means what is happening?
Sir, your
Force.
voice is
Wall is also applying force on us. And that is why that particular force is called normal reaction.
I don't know.
Excuse me, sir.
Please ask.
Sir, ये जो first law है,
आवाज नहीं आ रहा है बेटा, थोड़ा सा नेटवर्क का प्रॉब्लम है शायद.
Sir, this first law is applicable only if friction is not there.
I don't
No,
hear you, sir.
every case it is applicable.
So, but if friction is there, the speed will increase or decrease.
Sometimes it may increase, sometimes it may decrease. It depends. You can walk only because of friction. If there is no friction, you won't be able to walk.
Sir, force pressure is on Mars also. Force is also in all planet also.
Yes, obviously there is a gravitational force between every planet. Sun exerts gravitational force on every planet. चलो थोड़ा सा आगे का देखते हैं. So no net force is acting, the body will remain stationary. An object is in motion, continues to move with the same speed and direction. यानी उसके डायरेक्शन में भी चेंज नहीं आएगा और स्पीड में भी चेंज नहीं आएगा. कब? When no force is acting on the object. This was Galileo's experiment. This is nothing but called as Newton's first law, or also it is called as law of inertia. Yes, please. शर्वरी विचार काय विचारायचंय? शर्वरी माइक अनम्यूट कर आणि विचार बेटा.
Sir, can you please what attendance?
Sharvari, I am not able to hear you. Please. मी असं करतो, तुला इथे लिहिता येईल अशा तऱ्हेचं करतो आणि तू हा बोल. मला नाही ऐकू आलं बेटा. आय एम रिअली सॉरी.
Sir, I didn't understand about net force.
Net force is the total force. There may be 2-3 different forces acting. Suresh is also pushing, Ramesh is also pushing, Sadashiv is also pushing. Then what will happen? So that particular is the net force.
Sir, you said that when we push a wall, the wall also exerts pressure on us. Which is that pressure?
Not pressure. Wall exerts force. That particular force is called as normal reaction. Now, if suppose this particular is a block, your book is having fantastic problems and examples over there. I really appreciate the book. Means any book, NCERT or state board, both of them. Now, if the Suresh is pushing from this side and Ramesh is pushing from this side, whether block will move? If
No, sir. No, sir.
Force,
No, sir.
No, sir.
then block won't
sir.
move.
Sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Now, this indicates
The force will
that
be cancelled.
net force
The
is
net force
0.
and 0.
Now, if suppose the Suresh is pushing it little harder and Ramesh is not having that much force, so this is less and more. Under that condition, the block will start moving in this direction.
Excuse me, sir.
Please.
So can you please define net force again?
Net force is the total of all forces. Resultant of all forces.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Can you please define friction?
I will do that, but afterwards, not right now.
Yes.
I do have that definition.
So your voice is not coming.
That particular might be because of the network problem which you are having. You will have to change your place something.
Sir, what is after that act through?
Now we will see the type of forces. Force is called as contact force.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
So what is after is seen to act through in the first point?
Excuse me, sir.
Please say it again, whatever you want to say.
So what is after through in the first point?
What is?
What is after through in the first point?
A stationary object on which no net force is acting remains stationary. An object in motion continues to move with same speed and in same direction when force is acting on that object. This is Newton's first law of motion.
So what is meant by net force?
Net force is total force. Someone's mic is open and the sound is coming unnecessarily. Please mute everyone's mic. Now, type of forces. Majorly, there are two types of forces. One of them is called as contact.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, the first point is incomplete.
Yeah, that particular is additional something.
Okay.
A force is seen to act through a. Now that may be related with the type of forces. Forget about it.
Yeah.
So the type of forces have one force as contact force, force which need direct contact of the objects or via one or more objects. Such force is called as contact force. And the other is called as non-contact force. Yes, Sharwari, please ask. Sharwari Thakre.
Sir, can you please tell what is?
शर्वरी तुझं नेटवर्क कनेक्शन नाहीये बरोबर त्याच्यामुळे तुझा आवाज क्रॅक होतोय मला येताना मला नीट ऐकू येत नाहीये याचा अर्थ तू प्रश्न विचारू नको असा नाहीये बेटा पण मला ऐकूच येत नाहीये प्रश्न थोडी घरातली जागा बदल तुझी म्हणजे नीट क्लिअर तिथे येऊ शकेल एखाद्या वेळी ऐकू
Sir, due to network connection, I was not able to join. Can you, in short, please explain this? In short.
Sure. Which part you want to explain me?
Sir, this all force, pressure, and friction.
Okay. The concept of force basically introduced by Newton. Before that, there is a concept which is called as inertia. Inertia is the tendency which was said by Galileo that body, object tries to remain in same state of motion. So if it is at rest, body will say मैं रेस्ट में ही रहूंगी. And if in motion, कोणाचा तरी माइक बेटा काळजी घ्या. Will remain in motion. Now for this particular, if you remember, some few of you might be going to the ground and on ground object which is something like this.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, your voice is not able to hear.
नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल बेटा आता.
Sir,
नाही
someone's
काही
mic
करू
is
शकत.
on.
कोणीतरी बोलतंय.
हा, आता त्याच्याकडे दुर्लक्ष करायचं ना मग. थोडंसं हे तुम्हाला आता शिकावं लागेल की यू विल हॅव टू कॉन्सन्ट्रेट ऑन समथिंग विच इज ऑफ मोर यूज फॉर यू. So this particular is an instrument which is called as roller. हे ग्राउंड वरती बऱ्याचदा वापरलं जातं. Now if you have dealt with this someday or the other, then at the beginning whenever it is supposed to start, it is very difficult. And once it starts, it is difficult to stop it. 2-3 भागते दौड़ते आते, अरे रुक जा करके. So this particular is the one of the best example for the body having inertia. If this roller is more heavy, then this inertia is more. And if the roller is less heavy, then the inertia is less. So this particular property is very clear and very easy to see. And this particular is the tendency which is called as inertia. मगर जब दुनिया में इधर उधर देखते हैं, we don't see this particular point by us. So Newton
what is
realized
inertia?
inertia is the tendency, na beta, property of the body.
Sir, I didn't get the concept of inertia.
Okay, means you were not even present for this particular. So this was the experiment performed by Galileo, which said that if the ball is released, it come up to this much and will stop over here. If this particular is in this shape or in this shape or in this shape, imagine what will happen.
Sir,
हाँ बोला.
can you please tell definition of C?
बेटा नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे तुमचा. तुमचं बोलणं मला ऐकू येत नाहीये. You just try to concentrate whatever I am saying. I am repeating the whole thing once again. टेक्निकॅलिटी कडे लक्ष देण्यापेक्षा तुम्ही लेक्चर कडे आणि या इथे येणाऱ्या वस्तूंकडे लक्ष द्या. जे मी ड्रॉ करतोय त्याला ऐकायचा प्रयत्न करा.
सर दिसत नाहीये स्क्रीनवर.
दिसत नाहीये म्हणजेच मग आता नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे बेटा. कारण की जर आपल्या आता सध्याशी जवळपास 140 विद्यार्थी जॉईन केलेले आहेत, बाकी सगळ्यांना दिसतंय. एक वेळ डिस्कनेक्ट हो आणि पुन्हा कनेक्ट हो. दुसरं काय सांगू मी. त्याच्यासाठी मी वेटिंग रूम वगैरे हा प्रकार ठेवतच नाही काही. एनीवन कॅन जॉइन.
आता दिसतंय सर.
गुड बेटा.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Can you show the last slide to right?
Yeah, I will show it, but first I will explain for some few students who were not present earlier.
Okay, sir.
Right, better. So this particular ball earlier was over here. It started. In the next case, this particular ball will come and will be over here. In the third case, it will be up to this much. But in fourth case, it will keep on moving, will not stop at all. This was said by Galileo. But in our real life, whenever we see bicycle is pushed, it stops after some time. Ball is pushed, it stops after some time. So Newton started thinking that why is this happening? So there must be someone who is trying to stop the ball. That someone who is trying to stop the ball, who is changing the state of motion, उसको न्यूटन ने नाम दिया फोर्स. So there comes the Newton's first law. says that if net force, total force is 0, then object at rest will
Sir, your voice is stopped.
at rest. If the net force is 0, then object at rest will remain at rest.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir, can we write it, sir?
Yes, obviously you are supposed to write. ये मैंने पहले ही बोला है कि तुम्हारा हाथ कंटिन्यूअसली चलना चाहिए, कान मेरी तरफ, हाथ से लिखा जाना चाहिए. उसीलिए तो मैं बोलता हूँ हरदम जो भी लिखता हूँ वो.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the someone who is changing the state of motion is called force or is force?
कुछ भी बोलो, उससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? If Newton is calling, then it will be called as force. If we are there, we will call it as force. ये इंग्लिश का लेक्चर थोड़ी है अपना, फिजिक्स का लेक्चर है. If the object is in motion, then
Excuse me,
yes, beta.
I can screenshot, sir.
Pardon?
I can screenshot, sir.
I'm again sorry.
I can screenshot, sir. Sir.
You can have screenshot. I don't have any objection for that. पण ते काही चांगलं नाहीये.
Okay, sir.
स्वतः लिहून काढणं हे नेहमी अप्रिशिएट केलं जातं. मला आवडत नाही ते स्क्रीनशॉट काढणं.
Okay, sir.
जर माझा स्टुडंट किंवा माझा मुलगा हे करत असेल तर मी म्हणेन नाही रे बा, हे असं करायचं नाही, की हाताने लिहायचं. हाताने लिहिलेलं जास्ती लक्षात राहतं. ते स्क्रीनशॉट वगैरे काही मतलब नसतो त्याला. तो आळशीपणा असतो आपला. Technology is meant for us. We are not meant for technology.
Sir, will you explain the concept of Newton's first law?
Hello, sir. Your voice is stopped.
तेच तर करतोय मी बेटा. If net force is 0, then object at rest will remain at rest. If the object is in motion, then it will move. With same speed. पण स्पीड आपल्याला डायरेक्शन बद्दल सांगत नाही, म्हणून in same direction this is Newton's first law in 8th standard. 10th standard मध्ये किंवा 9th standard मध्ये याला आणखीन चांगल्या पद्धतीने सांगितलं जाईल. 11th standard मध्ये आणखीन चांगल्या पद्धतीने सांगितलं जाईल. आणि MSc फिजिक्स करताना पुन्हा न्यूटन्स फर्स्ट लॉ असतो, तिथे तो आणखीन चांगल्या पद्धतीने सांगितला जातो.
सर म्हणजे जो फोर्स आहे तो ऑपोजिट डिरेक्शन
असं काहीच आवश्यक नाही इथे. ऑब्जेक्ट इज इन मोशन बिकॉज ऑफ द फोर्स. ज्या डायरेक्शनला नेट फोर्स असेल त्या डायरेक्शनला ऑब्जेक्टची.
Sir, can you show previous slide?
Writing I won't be able to show. Presentation part I will be able to show. Now if suppose this particular is an object and from this side I am applying a force of 10 Newton and from this side also 10 Newton, object will not move at all. But if from this particular side I am applying a force of say 15 Newton and from this side 10 Newton, then object will start move in this direction. So the motion of object will be in the direction of net force. If the force is 110 Newton over here and Newton over here, then the body will start moving in this direction. प्रज्वल मानकर, तुमचा माइक बंद करा.
Sir,
बोला.
sir, why the quantity is given Newton only?
Because Newton is the unit of force. हा एन मी मुद्दामून स्मॉल काढलेला आहे. हा जर का कॅपिटल काढला तर तो मिस्टर न्यूटन होतो. मला मिस्टर न्यूटन नाही म्हणायचं आहे. सो दिस इज द युनिट ऑफ फोर्स, ऑल्सो डिनोटेड बाय जस्ट कॅपिटल एन. जसं मासचं युनिट असतं किलोग्राम, स्पीडचं युनिट असतं मीटर पर सेकंड किंवा किलोमीटर पर आवर. So in the same way, unit of force is Newton. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, how can we identify that how much force is applied to an object?
There are measures of forces and one can measure it.
Excuse me, sir.
Basic, pardon?
Force has any unit, sir? Force has any unit, sir?
हो ना बेटा, आत्ताच सांगितलं ना मी, न्यूटन हे फोर्सचं युनिट आहे. तसं लेन्थचं युनिट सेंटीमीटर आहे, मीटर आहे, तसंच याचं न्यूटन आहे. So the force is classified into two types. One is called as contact force, where contact is needed.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So here it is said that if the object is in motion, then it will move with the same speed in the same direction.
Yes.
But after some time, it will stop. No.
No. If the particular force changes, then only it will stop. If the force in opposite direction, then only it will stop. Not otherwise. So those who wish to write, these are your textbook statements.
Sir, the previous slide
from state board book.
Sir.
Yes, please.
The previous slide दाखवा ना.
याची आधीची?
हो sir, the types of force.
बरं. Is it this? This is not from your book.
No, sir.
Please, from height on a smooth track will continue till end of the universe. While observing this particular, Newton realized that it stops after some time. He started thinking about the question why this happens. So he came out with the result that there must be something which stops the object, and that something was called as force. Then these forces were classified into two types. One is contact force, force which need direct contact of objects or via one or more objects. Such a force is called as contact force. For example, I want to lift this pen. Then,
Sir, I cannot see the screen.
I also saw.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beta, on the
The
side
slide is not appearing on the
Yes,
screen.
sir.
minimize
Sir,
झालेलं
your
असतं ते
screen
side ला
will
Please, you
stop.
can show the slide of
Yes,
force,
sir.
pressure, and friction.
Sir, please type of forces.
Sir, we can't see.
Sir, your screen
Sir,
is
please
also
show
stopped.
types of force.
you are not able to see this.
Sir, please.
No, sir.
Sir, please
No,
show
sir.
the types of
Okay,
Screen
I
is
will
Yeah,
show.
I am able to see.
types of force.
Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Non-contact force.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So only non-contact force is not visible.
Non-contact force.
Non-contact force is not visible.
Force is
Now
applied
it is
between
there.
two objects. Yes, yes. For example, this is the pen and I want to lift this. Then I hold and lift. So this particular is a contact force. Which force is this? This force is called as muscular force.
Contact force, muscular.
But if suppose I am holding this pen and I release it, it falls down. Why it falls down? This is because of gravitational force.
Gravitation
तो टच नहीं कर रही उसको, फिर भी वो नीचे जा रहा है.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Your video is not be seen.
My video will be downward, beta. It will be minimized, and
No,
you can
sir.
enlarge it.
The, it is only black screen.
My God, I am behind the black screen. अरे अरे असं नको करू रे बाबा.
कोणी खोटं कोण बोल
अरे खोटं नाही, त्यांना जे दिसतंय ते बोलतात ते बेटा, असं थोडीच असतं काही.
Sir.
हा. नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स झालं लिहून सगळ्यांचं.
Yes, sir.
चलो आगे चलते हैं.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
नाही झालेलं आहे.
करा पूर्ण करा, लवकर करा.
Yes, sir.
Sir, will you please explain non-contact force?
Yes, gravitational force is a non-contact force. एखादी खेळण्यामध्ये मॅग्नेट हातात घेऊन पाहिलं असेल ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मॅग्नेट मुळे लोखंड असं अट्रॅक्ट केलं जातं. दॅट इज अ नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स.
Sir, contact force चा एक example द्या ना.
Sir, then what is the difference between muscular and contact force?
What is?
The difference between muscular force and contact force.
No, muscular force is a type of contact force, beta.
Sir, another example of non-contact force.
Huh?
Sir, will you give another example of non-contact force?
नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स साठी ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल आहे,
Magnetic
फोर्स
force.
आहे.
Sir, contact चा एक example सांगा ना.
Force of
Electrostatics.
So can you explain this all again? I got
Muscular force.
What is meant by why?
friction. What is mean by?
Via. What? Via.
Via means through.
Excuse me, sir.
Can you pardon, sir?
Via means
Sir,
yes.
Sir, can't hear you.
Excuse me, sir.
Please, beta, both.
Sir, magnetic force in the kind of contact or non-contact force.
नाही कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स
sir, electrostatic force non-contact मध्ये येते ना?
कोणता?
Sir,
Electrostatic.
sir, electrostatic force non-contact मध्ये येते ना?
हो बेटा.
Sir, can you please repeat what is meant by via?
Via means through.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir, is frictional force is a non-contact force?
No, it is contact force.
So can you repeat contact and non-contact force? I got disconnected by my internet issue.
It's written on the screen. You can just copy it down. Contact force is the one which needs contact. Non-contact is the one which don't need contact.
Sir, give example of contact force.
Contact force example, muscular force, force of friction.
Sir,
Sir,
what is
on the
friction?
windpipe. Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, on the
please.
windpipe, on the windpipe is moving round and round. So the force which is applied there, it is contact force or non-contact force.
Windpipe म्हणजे काय म्हणतोयस तू, मला नाही कळलं.
And
The fan.
सन काय, सन मध्ये काय?
Sir, fan. FN fan.
फॅन. ओके.
So the fan which is moving round and round, the force which is applied there, it is non-gravitational force.
It is
Non-contact
non-gravitation, but it is contact force. If the
Sir, can you
particular blades of
repeat
the
what is friction?
friction, I will be explaining afterwards. Just wait for some few moments.
The mechanical force is which kind of force?
Mechanical force is
Sir.
contact force. Yes,
Okay,
please.
Sir, how is the fan contact force?
Can you explain
Fan,
types of
fan pushes the air particles, and
Sir?
those particles will get pushed only when they hit the fan blade.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, can you explain types of force? Because due to connectivity, I was disconnected.
But
Sir?
contact force and non-contact force are the two type of forces. Contact force is the one which needs the contact, and non-contact is the one which don't need the contact.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
No.
Sir, we push any car. It is a contact force.
Yes, definitely it is a contact force.
Yes, sir. Sir, if we are driving the car, it is contact or non-contact?
Driving is a contact force because car moves because of friction.
Sir, muscular force is contact force.
Muscular force is a contact force.
Sir, non-contact force चे example काय ना?
Gravitational force, magnetic force, electrostatic force.
Sir,
हाँ,
सर सर जेव्हा आपण गाडीला म्हणजे कोणत्या पण कारला जेव्हा आपण दोरीने बांधून ओढतो
हो,
तेव्हा ते कॉन्टॅक्ट होतं की नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट होतं?
कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स. कारण आपण दोरीला ओढतो, दोरी कारला ओढते, त्याच्यामुळे तो कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स.
अच्छा.
हा, व्हाया ऑब्जेक्ट्स किंवा डायरेक्टली कॉन्टॅक्ट. धरलं आणि त्याला पुश केलं, तोही झाला कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स. येस
Excuse me,
प्लीज.
sir.
येस बेटा.
We start a fan with the help of button. It is contact force or not?
No, that is not contact force. Because we don't
प्लीज
start the
तुम्ही
vehicle
वायाचं
just by
मिनिंग
this.
सांगू शकता का?
हाँ?
Yes, sir.
तुम्ही वायाचं मिनिंग सांगू शकता का?
काय करून दाखवू शकतो का?
वायाचं मिनिंग.
Sir,
हाँ,
excuse me, sir.
बोला बोला, एक्सक्यूज केलं मी, बोल.
सर, जो आपण नाही का फॅन सुरू केला तर ते इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स होणार ना?
बरोबर आहे.
इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स.
हो,
सर मग तो नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट कसं झाला?
तो नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट अशासाठी झाला की बटन दाबल्याने तो फक्त इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाय आपण चालू केला.
सर
आपण
पण
ते
सप्लायचा
इलेक्ट्रिक
फोर्स लावतच आहे ना?
आपण ते फक्त बटन चालू करायसाठी बेटा. जर बटनच नसलं मध्ये, डायरेक्टच चालली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी फॅन पर्यंत.
Okay, sir. Sir, only friction and muscular force are contact force.
Not only, but these are the major ones.
Can't hear you.
Mechanical force is a contact force. आता एनसीआरटी मध्ये फोर्स बद्दल काय दिलेलं आहे? So NCERT says that the type of forces are push or pull. एनसीआरटी मध्ये एक कॅरेक्टर उभं केलेलं आहे, त्याचं नाव आहे सवाली राम. आणि तो सवाली राम प्रश्न विचारतो आणि त्याच्यावरून आपल्याला त्याचं उत्तर माहिती होतं. मी बेटा तुम्हाला पुन्हा पुन्हा सांगतोय, जर का तुम्हाला खरोखरीच काही शिकायचं असेल तर सुरुवातीला प्री रीडिंग आवश्यक है. विदाउट प्री रीडिंग अपन अगर कोई भी क्लास में बैठ रहे तो उसका उतना फायदा नहीं हो सकता. Anyway, fine. So force is either a push or it's a pull. An interaction of one object with the another object results in a force between the two objects. एक तो पुश करेगा ऑब्जेक्ट या पुल करेगा. When a force is applied on an object, it may change object speed. If the force applied on the object is in the direction of its motion, तो speed बढ़ेगी. And if it is in the opposite direction of the motion, then speed कम होगी. So wonder.
Sir, can you pardon what you said now?
Sir, can you explain again?
Yeah, definitely.
I don't understand it, sir.
कधी लहानपणी तुम्ही ते सायकलचं टायर घेऊन त्याला काडीने बडवत बडवत फिरवलेलं आहे का कधी? जर तसं केलं असेल तर when you are hitting that particular tire in the direction of the motion, then its speed goes on increasing. किंवा सायकल चालवत असाल तर सायकल वरती बसायच्या आधी त्याच्या पायडल वरती पाय ठेवता आणि दुसऱ्या पायाने जमीन मागे लोटता. So you are applying the particular force of friction in the direction of motion itself. So you keep on increasing your speed with every hit of the leg. And when you apply the force in the opposite direction, at that time you try to stop the particular speed of the motion. करून क्रिकेटचा बॉल येऊन राहिला, त्याला तुम्ही हाताने धरलं, you obviously try to stop the motion because you are applying the force in the opposite direction. You are a batsman, bowler ने ball मारला, you have the particular stroke by the bat, straight drive मारला तुम्ही, obviously you are applying the force in the opposite direction. So you will change the particular speed, you will make it zero, and then you will push the ball in the opposite direction. तन्मय कुठे? बोल बेटा, काय विचारायचं आहे?
सॉरी सर, चुकून झालं.
बरोबर, चल आगे. So this is yes please.
सर मला एक क्वेश्चन होता की आपण अर्थला तर म्हणजे कोणीच मोशन फोर्स देत नाही ना, मग तो
नाही आहे ना बेटा, आहे कोणीच नाही असं नाहीये. Sun is applying the gravitation.
अच्छा, that is why it rotates.
That's why it keeps on rotating around the sun. Continuously its direction of velocity changed.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, sunला पण gravitational force असतो?
Definitely yes, sun is rotating about the center of the galaxy. There might be one black hole at the center of Milky Way galaxy and the sun is rotating due to that.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Excuse
please.
me, sir. Sir, the gravity.
Contact force or non-contact force?
So can you please show the previous slide?
So please show the previous slide.
Sir, can you show the previous slide?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Lift is a contact force or non-contact force?
Which one?
Lift.
Gravitation?
Lift.
Lift. Lift is a contact force.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, you said that sun has a gravitational force, and
Yes.
gravitational force, it is an example of non-contact force, and it says that it is that the objects is not contact with anything. Then how Then how the sun is going to be contact with earth?
No, sun is not needing the contact because gravitation is a non-contact force. सन को कोई अर्थ को टच करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
सर लिफ्टला कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स कसा लागन?
अरे ते बेल्ट आहे ना वरती त्याच्या असा लिफ्टला असं ते धरून दोरीने ओढत असतात ना, विहिरीत ओढल्या जाते तशी लिफ्ट
सर
वरती
जर
ओढल्या
आपण
जाते.
विमान उडवत आहे तर तो कोणता फोर्स होईल, कॉन्टॅक्ट की नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट?
विमान वरती उचलण्यासाठी जे आहे तो कॉन्टॅक्ट फोर्स आहे, म्हणून व्हॅक्यूम मध्ये विमान उडू शकत नाही. ते जेव्हा हवेला खाली दाबतं तेव्हा ते वरती जातं.
ओके सर.
राईट. आयुष विचार बेटा, काय विचारायचं आहे?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, swimming is which type of force?
You tell me.
Muscular.
Excuse me, sir.
Muscular force.
Excuse me, sir.
It is muscular as well as obviously because it is muscular it has to be contact force.
Yes, sir.
आणि आता हे प्रश्न आता विचारायच्या ऐवजी थोडंसं मला असं वाटतं की वेगवेगळ्या फोर्सेसची लिस्ट करायची आणि त्याच्यासमोर कॉन्टॅक्ट की नॉन कॉन्टॅक्ट आपणच विचार करून लिहायचं. बेटर एक्सरसाइज ऑल्सो.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
येस
सर तुम्ही म्हटलं की विमान स्पेस मध्ये उडू शकत नाही, तर मग स्पेस शटल कसे उडतात?
स्पेस शटल उडू शकतं, विमान नाही उडू शकत.
ओके सर.
स्पेस शटल त्याच्या मोमेंटमनी जातो.
सर तुम्ही म्हणालात की जसं अर्थला सनचा ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स असतो, तर सनला कोणाचा असतो?
एक ब्लॅक होल आहे ऍट द सेंटर ऑफ द गॅलेक्सी. That particular is rotating the sun around its center.
आणि जर ब्लॅक होल नसून जर व्हाईट होल असला तर?
व्हाईट होल या नावाची काही कन्सेप्ट अजूनपर्यंत सायन्सने ऍक्सेप्ट नाही केलेली.
थँक्यू सर.
हे खूप छान पॉइंट्स आहेत, थोडेसे नोट करा नीटपणे. अ फोर्स may make an object move from rest. A force may change the speed of an object if it is moving. Either it can increase or it can decrease. These points are mentioned in NCERT book, very finely written. मी दोन्हीचं कॉम्बिनेशन केलेलं आहे माझ्या पीपीटी मध्ये. A force may change the direction of motion of an object. म्हणजे स्पीड मध्ये चेंज आणू शकतं किंवा डायरेक्शन मध्ये चेंज आणू शकतं. It may bring about the particular change in shape of the object also. अरे सही बात है ना यार.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So not only speed and direction and obviously
अरे सगळं काही फक्त फोर्सच करू शकते का?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes.
yes perfect.
Yes sir.
सर हे सगळं काही फक्त फोर्सच करू शकते का?
हो फोर्स हे
Yes
करू
sir.
शकतो.
Motion.
तर पण ते काऊन?
आणि गमतीची गोष्ट अशी की फोर्स याच्यामधले एकच करू शकतं किंवा 2-4 करू शकतं.
Sir,
Yes.
wind is which force?
Wind is not force. When wind tries to move something, at that time it is contact force. Wind consists of particles. And those tiny particles hit the object and try to move that particular object. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, please.
sir, असं कोणतं फोर्स आहे जो त्याची स्पीड किंवा त्याची डायरेक्शन चेंज करू शकतो?
तूच सांग मला, विचार कर. फुटबॉल वगैरे
सर मस्क्युलर फोर्स.
फुटबॉल खेळलायस का?
Sir, the moving ball.
Yeah, several many examples are there where the speed also changes as well as direction changes. Even if you see it minutely, shape also changes.
Sir, muscular
the moving
force.
of wheel.
Yes.
Hitting of ball by a bat.
Yes, perfect.
Sir, please show the previous
please
slide.
show last slide.
Okay, but be in rapidly cover it up better. पार्टिसिपंटचा नंबर चेंज होतो, म्हणजे 136, मग 140, मग पुन्हा 136.
सर ते ऑटो म्हणजे
त्यांच्याबद्दल काही नाही, परंतु जे बाहेर पडलेले आहेत त्यांनी लगेच कनेक्ट करायचा प्रयत्न केला स्वतःला, तर इट विल बी बेटर.
सर ते नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेमच्या आणि ऑटोमॅटिक असं डिस्कनेक्ट
हो
होते.
हो होतं होतं. मी तेच म्हणतोय की लागलीच कनेक्ट केलं दॅट विल बी बेटर.
हो
पण हे आता मी त्यांना सांगून राहिलो जे कनेक्टेड आहेत. हा अनुजा बोल बेटा. अनुजा. हा.
Sir, which force is needed by water?
For what?
Sir, if the air is coming and the water which is moving, which force is applied?
Sir, Bion force.
याच्यात कसं आहे की तुम्ही नेमकं काय विचारताय याच्यावरती अवलंबून आहे. वॉटर म्हणजे आता तुम्ही जर का लाटांबद्दल बोलत असाल तर येस इट इज ड्यू टू एअर. But if I am having the water in my mug and I am just tilting the mug, water falls down due to gravitation.
And three, sir.
मग ते खाली पडता पडता जर का इकडे तिकडे होत असेल, then the wind is responsible.
Yeah, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you said that when wind tries to move anything, then only it can move anything, but wind is not a living thing.
Obviously not. Gravitation also is not living thing. Magnet is also not living thing. Electrostatic force is also not living thing. Who told you that force is only applied by the living things?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Who gives the gravitational force to
नहीं देखो ये अपन कई बार ये दिमाग में ऐसा रखते हैं कि force will be applied by someone who is having life, but we are skipping several many examples. चलो आगे देखते हैं. So now the yes please.
So who gives the gravitational force to black hole?
Matter within it. Gravitation is only because of matter. Nothing else. So force is caused by the action of muscles in our body. The force resulting due to action of muscles is known as muscular force. This definition is from NCERT. Ayush, which
Sir, may I ask my question?
Please ask beta, no problem at all.
Sir, I want to ask that the sun exerts force on Earth, that is why it revolves. So, which force is exerted on Earth so that it rotates?
Rotation of Earth around its axis is because of the inbuilt motion at the time of cooling of the solar system. And because there is no force of friction, the particular Earth is spinning around itself. It was due to the particular formation of solar system. Every object in the universe is having its spin. This is due to the particular cooling system. What happens is this: earlier there was a gas that was moving around the sun. Then droplets were created. We do have this in a complete chapter. birth of star or solar system. So over there we will be dealing with it in detail. But right now let me just say, to reduce your curiosity or to increase your curiosity, that this particular spin remained with Earth because it is spinning from the very beginning and there is no one to stop that spin. अब जैसे जैसे दिन आगे जाएंगे वैसे ये स्पिन स्लो होते जाएगा because of the rotation of the moon. Moon is trying to apply the brakes on this.
सर मग
Sir,
कोण
then
rotate
there
होतो?
is no force in it.
पुन्हा मला क्रॅक होतोय आवाज तुझा, ऐकू येत नाही
Sir,
नीटपणे.
सर अर्थ कोण रोटेट होतो?
हो, अर्थ ही रोटेट होते, सन पण रोटेट होतो स्वतःभोवती,
सर पण ते कोण
रोटेट होतो. शाश्वत बोल बेटा, काय कृष्णा शाश्वत विचार.
अर्थ का रोटेट होतो?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, as you said that the sun is applying gravitational force on the earth.
Yes.
So, why does not the earth goes inside the sun? Which force is applied?
Goes, it continuously tries. It continuously tries. खूप चांगला प्रश्न आहे हा. मी थोडासा एक्सप्लेन करतो मग पुन्हा या स्लाइड कडे येतो. Are you able to see the whiteboard?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ही अर्थ होती अशी जात होती.
Yes, sir.
हा इथे सन. Sun applied the force in this direction, force of gravitation. Due to this particular force is neither in the direction of motion nor opposite to the direction of motion. मध्ये काही चेंज नाही झाला, पण वेलॉसिटीची डायरेक्शन बदलली. मग पुन्हा हे ग्रॅव्हिटेशन फोर्स असा होता, मग पुन्हा वेलॉसिटीची डायरेक्शन बदलली, पुन्हा ग्रॅव्हिटेशनल फोर्स असा होता. So actually what is happening is this. If I redraw the complete.
Sir, what is the meaning of velocity?
Velocity means the directed speed. This is just a imagination. या ठिकाणी sun आहे.
Sir,
Earth was moving like this. थोडं
Sir, what is velocity?
This particular is the speed in this direction.
म्हणजे काय
Sun. Sun.
So this particular under this gravitational force. त्याच्यामुळे या स्पीडची डायरेक्शन चेंज झाली, मॅग्निट्यूड चेंज नाही झाली. डायरेक्शन अशाच्या ऐवजी ते हे असं झालं. अगेन फोर्स इज लाईक दिस.
सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स.
So this particular is the thing.
ते आहे gravitational force.
This particular कोणीतरी मागून पेरेंट्स पैकी किंवा मोठा कोणी भाऊ वगैरे असेल तो बोलून राहिलेला आहे. Yes, there is a particular thing which is basically gravitational force. तो जे म्हणतोय ते बरोबर आहे. This gravitational force over here is also called as centripetal force. सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स हे जनरल नाव झालेलं आहे. सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स म्हणजे असा फोर्स की विच इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सर्क्युलर मोशन. मग आता इथे जर का असंही असं की मी एक काहीतरी घेतला ऑब्जेक्ट आणि त्याला दोऱ्याने बांधलं असं आणि तो दोरा मी फिरवायला लागलो.
सर तुमची स्क्रीन फ्रीज झालेली आहे.
So over there the particular thing which is called as tension.
Excuse me, sir.
Centripetal force. हो बोला बेटा.
सर तुमचा आवाज नाही येत आहे.
माझा आवाज येत नसेल तर एक तर तुम्हाला म्यूट केलेलं असेल किंवा मग नेटवर्कचा प्रॉब्लेम असेल. मी तेवढंच मोठ्या मोठ्याने बोलून राहिलेलो आहे.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Centripetal force is also known as centrifugal force.
No, not at all. Centripetal is centripetal, centrifugal is centrifugal. Centrifugal is away from the center.
What is centrifugal?
Excuse me, sir.
सध्याशी हे आपल्याला नाही लक्षात येणार काही. थोडं फक्त लक्षात घ्या की सेंट्रिफ्युगल इज द वन विच इज अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर आणि सेंट्रिपेटल इज द वन विच इज टुवर्ड्स द सेंटर.
Sir,
Yes.
the moon has gravitational force.
Obviously, yes.
Sir,
So because of that gravitational force, how water comes like high tide and low tides.
Yes.
So, but how it attracts from such a long distance?
Because it's a particular force which is quite large.
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
सर हे आपली म्हणजे टीचर सर आपली अर्थ अशी आडवी आहे तर ते कोणत्या फोर्सच्या मुळे आहे का सर?
आडवी हो. अर्थच्या रोटेशन मुळे आहे ते.
सर
जेव्हा तयार झाली ती अशीच होती गोल छानपैकी, पण ती लिक्विड मध्ये होती आणि या लिक्विड स्टेट मधली अर्थ अशी रोटेट होत होती. मग त्याच्यामुळे अशी लांबी.
तुमच्या इकडचा व्हॉल्यूम वाढवा.
बेटा माझ्या व्हॉल्यूम काहीच होणार.
Excuse me, sir.
हा.
सर सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्स आणि सेंट्रिपेटल फोर्स मध्ये काय फरक आहे?
त्याची आता नका काळजी करू, कारण की ते तेवढं नीट लक्षात.
Sir,
बोला.
Sir, does tornado has the centripetal force?
Tornado.
Yes.
Tornado is having centripetal force. Yes.
sir, does every larger body? Sir, every larger body has this gravitational force, or any smaller body does?
Every body which is having mass is having gravitational force.
सर तुमचा आवाज नहीं आता है और दिसत पण नहीं है.
सर आपकी कुछ भी आवाज नहीं आ रही है.
Sir, can you please explain this concept again as I was out of the meet?
Which concept you want me to explain?
Sir, this which is on the board right now, centrifugal and this
Okay. This particular concept was related with the sun and earth. Earth is continuously changing its direction. The question which was asked was this, that if earth is under the gravitational force, then why it is not falling from the sun? It should get attracted by. It is not getting attracted means what is happening over there. So the explanation is this, that the earth is moving like this. Due to gravitational force, the direction of the speed changes and it becomes like this, and like this, and like this, and like this. So this particular keeps on happening continuously.
Excuse me,
sir.
Yes.
Sir, will you please explain again from centripetal force?
So centripetal is not included in your syllabus. The forces which are responsible for circular motion, they are called as centripetal force.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, what is centrifugal then?
ऐका थोडंसं. Force.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, what is centrifugal force then?
हे एवढं ऐकून घेता का पहिले?
Okay, sir.
आता हे शेवटचे काही मुवमेंट्स आहेत, 5-1 मिनिटं. थोडस शांतपणे मी काय म्हणतोय ते ऐकून घ्या पहिल्यांदी. हे कन्सेप्ट तसं पाहायला गेलं तर तुम्हाला इझिली समजतील असे नाही आहेत. सेंट्रीपेटल आणि सेंट्रीफ्युगल. This centripetal is towards the center. Centrifugal means away from the center.
Meaning of life.
Centrifugal force जर का आपल्याला एक्सपिरियन्स करायचा असेल, then we need to know. काही वेळेला बघा ते फुगडी नावाचा प्रकार असतो. We hold the hands by crossing them and move along the circle. At that time, every participants feel that someone is trying to pull us away. That is called as centrifugal force. When you put your wet clothes in dryer, the dryer rotates and the water droplets come out. Those water droplets are coming out because they are experiencing centrifugal force. सगळ्यात चांगला एक्सपिरियन्स सेंट्रिफ्युगल फोर्सचा येतो जर तुम्ही कबड्डी खेळ खो खो खेळत असाल तर. इन खो खो देर आर 2 poles at the edge, and the person who is doing the batting, in kho kho also there is a batting and fielding. Person who is doing the batting, he is running, the other player is behind him, and he suddenly stretches his hand, holds that particular pole, आणि मग तो पोल त्याला असा उचलून पलीकडे ठेवून देतो. This particular is the example of centrifugal force. Or otherwise, what you can do is this, that you can do one small experiment also. Just have the particular top, भिंगरी ज्याला म्हणतात, now this particular you can move with some ink drops on it. शाईचे थेंब टाका त्याच्यावरती आणि त्याला फिरवा असं गोल. हे साधा कागद कापून त्याच्यामध्ये टाचण्या टाकून तुम्हाला बनवता येतं. When you rotate it like this, this particular ink drops will start creating strands like this. So someone is pushing them towards the edge of this particular moving top. This is what is due to centrifugal force. So right now I will stop over here. I will certainly unmute you all.